Soul Sister. Today I want to talk to you about the secret of how you create content and lead your clients through to becoming a client with you. So my secret is I actually create my content first in lead magnets, in ebooks, and also in larger videos. And then my social media is simply a little sneak peek of these assets so that I can lead my clients through to take more action with me, to find out and learn more on those topics, and then to enter my inner circle and to enjoy this whole experience. If you're struggling with creating this authentic content, it is probably likely because you are creating content for content's sake on social media. You have now become the monkey to social media and are just, what I've seen with some of my new clients, just waking up and producing a post, waking up the next day, producing a post, not really having the strategy behind it, which really, unfortunately, means that you're wasting your time. If you're posting for posting's sake, without the strategy behind where you're sending someone, what link they can take action with, how you can nurture them further, how they can buy from you, then you may need to address those areas. And that is all in the business strategy. Great news, we actually can help you with this. So if you're posting reels and you've just had an aha moment, we would love to do a Reels audit and show you some of the things that we see. It's very obvious to us when we look at an account whether someone has done that strategy work or not. It is like night and day. We also would love to support you further. Now that you've done your Reels Blitz and you've had some confidence in, right, these are some different reels I could try. This is how I can put them together. This is some of the different messaging I can look at. And maybe what is my mindset that is stopping me? The next step would be to really step back now out of this very niche area and to look at your bigger business. What is the journey for your clients? Do what I do and make it easy for you. When you create the ebook, the 50 pages of amazing content that you have meticulously put together, that is so deep dive and value for your clients, they will want it from you. And then simply your social media is sharing about this amazing ebook. And the good news is we actually run a book retreat. You might have seen some of our clients are sharing about their books and their launches. One of our clients who has simply posted one post about her book on her private page has now got 2 clients. Books really do build authority. Even if you're new in business, they give an impression of authority. They have so much content in them that they jump through that trust barrier really quickly. And if you are sick and tired of literally circling the content production and not really having a lead magnet that is juicy enough, that is setting yourself apart enough, then it's maybe the step for you to take to create your ebook. And we would love to help you with that. We are so excited for our next book retreat that's about to launch. So I love the fact that we have clients who are fairly new in business who have created a book and are going to bestseller. Through this process, they've created so much clarity that now their book can be repurposed to social media. It is such a streamlined process. Social media can be outsourced now fairly easily because they have done the groundwork. If you have not done the groundwork, it might be time for you to save yourself a lot of stress, a lot of time, and a lot of circling with no results. Do what our clients have done in just 2 months and get a client. I look forward to sharing more about this with you. Definitely reach out to us. We'd love to jump on a call and help you with the strategy. Maybe a book is right for you. Maybe you need business strategy. Maybe you need a Reels audit. Whatever that looks like, reach out to us. We would love to support you further. We'd love to show you the next steps. We would love to unlock that clarity for you so that you can go into the world, attract your clients, and do amazing work. Awesome. We'll see you very soon.